What's up, guys? Just out here at a public lake in Central Florida, trying to catch a few bass real quick before the sun goes down. Just got off work today and was pretty pumped up. We had some nice weather. We've been having a lot of bad wind lately, so we're just gonna try to get after it while we can. So today, I'm just using this, it's just a Strike King Rage Bug, regular size with a 1/2 ounce tungsten and some no-name punch stop here. And basically we're just flipping everything that looks good. Sometimes it gets overwhelming because I'm sure for some of my Midwestern homies this all looks good, but it's proven to not always be the greatest thing ever. So you really got to be picky about what you're flipping into. There's a baby gator right there. Didn't even see him. There's a fish. Bass. Stop it. Oh, hope you guys seen that. That's crazy. Number 2 on the Rage Bug. Little tiny guy. He came up and chomped it. Well, guys, looks like we're probably gonna call it a night. I got a lot of stuff going on for work tomorrow. I gotta get ready, so I just thought we'd come back here real quick and try to catch a couple bass, and we did. So it was a good night. I wasn't gonna go at first, but I guess since we ended up going and catching a couple bass, it was successful. I wish we could have caught a few more, but that's just how it goes when you come out in the evening. Thanks for watching, guys. I know this video is a little shaky. It's one of my first, so we're just getting started, but it'll progress and get a little bit better. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and like it. And give me a comment on what you think could go better about this. Give me maybe some ideas here in Florida on places I should fish. And we'll see you guys next time.